Right, welcome back to the old stock with pup build. It's been some time since I've been working on this model because other commitments have prevented me from doing it. Those who've been following will remember that last video I posted was around the covering. Still on that sort of theme, what we're going to do now is look at the stitching, which is quite a feature for those of you that know the pup, which runs down the side of the fuselage of the pup and obviously down the vertical up near the cockpit end. I've searched around quite a few sites to see if there's any particular method that's going to give a good result, but there are some out there, but I've come up with my own idea now, so I'll run through that with you. Basically what we need to start off with is a length of Solatex. Basically the length required of the fuselage from where the stitching starts to where it ends at the rear. Once we've got that, we need to look at putting a fold along this line here, i.e. by taking the text like that, folding it over. This is obviously too wide, but we're going to introduce some little brass eyelets onto this. If I just pop over here, should be able to show you. These are some brass eyelets, the right scale size. These were purchased from Mick Reeves Models. You get roughly 100 per packet. As it works out, we need approximately 90 in total for both the top and bottom parts of the stitching. This will become clearer later. They're brass, and they need a little eyelet fixer, which is this tool here. It's a tool that you buy from Fiskars. This end here cuts out the hole, and this end here, once the eyelet goes through the text, once the hole's been cut, it's placed over the eyelet, and then this has got a spring on it, and it generates a hammering action which burrs over the opposite side of the eyelet. So what I'm going to do now, which I'm sure everybody knows how to use a heat gun, or heat iron I should say, I'm going to generate the fold and then heat seal it onto itself, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how we use this little tool here in terms of making the required holes. Okay, so if you just let me do this, I'll be back in a second and we'll continue.